Tonglen, meditation of giving and receiving. Welcome to this meditation. Thanks for being here. This version is a complete version of the meditation Tonglen, which you can use either when you're starting to get to know this practice or when you have more time and are ready for a full practice. You may practice this meditation at any time of the day. Just don't do it when you're driving or operating heavy machinery to protect yourself and others. Tonglen is a meditation practice that helps you connect to other people's suffering and gives you the possibility to send them peace and love. You can also connect to your own pain and suffering and send yourself peace and love. This meditation is perfect for times when someone you know is going through a difficult situation and you'd like to help but don't know how. You can also use it when you have a generous heart and want to simply send out love and peace to groups, nations, even the whole world. Find a quiet place where to sit, where you won't be disturbed, so you can focus completely on your practice. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and uplifted, although not rigid. Close your eyes softly and start going within by observing your breathing. Stay still, observing the breathing process and all the sensations you may or may not be feeling. Focus on the natural movement of your body as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Notice the rhythm of your breath without trying to change it, just with curiosity. Let your breath flow as it needs to. If you need to go deeper, please do. If your breath needs to be short, please let it. This will also give you a chance to listen to your body, to be present with your own needs, and relax in the process. Observe your breathing for as long as you want or need. Even pause in this audio if you feel like it. When you are ready to start Tonglen, set the intention to use this moment to give peace and love to those in need, opening up to receiving some of the suffering that they are experiencing, to lift some of the weight off their shoulders. And, very importantly, commit to releasing the suffering. Help transform it without holding on to it. Start deepening your breath. Bring to your mind a person or a group of people that are suffering right now, for whatever reason, emotionally, physically, or mentally. Remember that the recipient of your peace and love may also be yourself. Picture them or yourself in front of you, or simply connect with them energetically. Just thinking of them will be enough. Now, inhale deeply, and as you do so, inhale also their suffering and their struggle. For the duration of the inhalation, you are feeling what they are feeling. You are lifting off this weight from them. As you exhale, slowly send love and peace to them. Release the suffering and transform it. If picturing this isn't easy, then simply send loving thoughts and kind wishes. Continue flowing between receiving suffering and giving peace and love. As you let your breath guide you. The time for receiving is only the in-breath, and the time for giving is only the out-breath. This creates a perfect balance. Inhale their suffering and their struggle. Picture the situation they are going through. Exhale love and peace into them, wishing them happiness and harmony. See them happy. See them receiving love and prospering. Check in with yourself from time to time. Is it enough for you? This might feel exhausting at times, and it's important that you know when it's time to stop. If your energy allows, you can move on to someone else, a whole group of people who are struggling for the same reason, or even the whole world or the planet. Always remembering to take care of yourself and respecting your limits. When you are ready to close your practice, thank yourself for being here and for choosing to do this meditation today. Slowly come back to your senses and open your eyes.